Hello everybody, welcome back again with another video. Well, this is my second time I training in the morning. This time is because my client who are supposed to have training at 7, they itu cancel it like 30 minutes before 7. Tapi nggak apa-apa, aku juga kan belum berangkat dan ya udah I switch it up to doing exercise today. Right now, jadi supaya nanti itu aku nggak mikir-mikir lagi untuk lakukan exercise. So I have time right now. Let's just do the things that I need to do today. One of them are doing exercise, gitu. Dan sekarang atau hari ini aku akan latihan upper body. Dan this upper body I'm going to do bench press again, but it is a Larsen press where I lift up my legs to the bench like there is no touch. So my leg is not on the ground, so it's gonna be increase the difficulty of the stability on this bench gitu. Jadi ya udah, aku akan lakukan itu dan aku akan mulai di 85 kilo. Hopefully my upper body still can handle it, and then I'm hoping as well I can increase the weight after this 85 kilos, and at the same times I lowered the reps by 5 reps. Before or last week I did 6 reps, jadi sekarang tuh 5 reps. Hopefully itu membuat aku bisa angkat lebih berat lagi. And right now, start from now, I'm gonna wear this thing again. Jadi supaya nanti tuh aku tuh bisa ngerasain atau bisa cuman fokus ke bebannya aja, karena wristku sudah di cover up oleh wrist reps ini gitu. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Dan apa lagi? Yeah, after that I'm gonna do another upper body exercises as usual. Jadi aku hari ini punya close grip, neutral cross grip, bla bla, seated grip, cable row. Habis itu ada shoulder press, habis itu ada chest fly. This is the new one. I think last week I said I think it's too much to do shoulder press, and then after the shoulder press I do the fast pulls. Itu sesuatu yang too much untuk my shoulders, jadi I decided to change it. I change it with incline dumbbell flies. Jadi ya mudah-mudahan dengan tambahan incline dumbbell flies itu tidak membuat chestku injured lagi. Dan ya yang terakhir itu superset incline dumbbell flies dengan cable tricep extension with the cable rope. Dan yeah, again, my stage or currently I'm not fed up yet. Jadi I'm still at the fasting from last night. Dan last night I'm sleeping well. Well, I slept at 10 and woke up at 6. I think that's enough. 10 to 6 berarti 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 hours straight. That's enough rest for me to do what? No, 5. I woke up at 5. I woke up at 5. Yeah. I woke up at 5. Jadi that's a solid 7 hours sleep yang aku lakukan. And yeah, I hope that's enough for me to do, to have the energy to finish all these exercises. Okay, without any further ado, let's do the exercise right now. I'll see you guys at the first sets of it. Hopefully there is no tidak ada halangan untuk lakukan latihan hari ini. So yeah, let's do it now. Okay guys, I'm at 85 kilos right now. Dan aku sudah melakukan pemanasan tadi. Dan tadi itu agak mengejutkan sedikit. Jadi aku tuh melakukan pemanasan tuh sebanyak 4 set. Yang pertama itu set pertama itu aku melakukan di barbell, habis itu aku melakukan di 40 kilo, habis itu aku attempt di 60 kilos, and then after that at 80 kilos for the last set of warming up. And then when I was about to unrack the barbell, I felt heavy. Jadi rasa beratnya itu kayak beda banget sama yang 60 kilo, dan ya udah aku angkat aja. Dan tapi melakukan repetisinya aman-aman aja sih. Jadi kayaknya itu setup badanku di benchnya aja yang perlu diperbaiki gitu. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that right now and then try to do 5 on this 85 kilos bench. Let's do it now. Okay, it's fine. Let's go up to 90 kilos. I just really want to hit 90 on this one. At least I get one set. I'm okay with that. Well, actually, aku akan melakukan 4 set di sini di bench press ini. Jadi ya udah, mudah-mudahan next setnya aku bisa dapetin 90 kilo. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be failing. But it's okay. Jadi 90 kilos on the second set, and then let's see if I can do another set or not. But definitely not, I think. But I don't know, who knows. Let's just see it later. Let's just be positive, be optimistic, and yeah, take a rest first. That was 90, guys. Aku dapetin. And I think I'm gonna go up to 92.5 kilos, and that's gonna be my last like heavy set. But I don't know, let's just see. Kalau misalnya memang kayak ini tuh nanti itu di 92,5 kilo tuh ngerasa kayak okay atau aman, I think I'm gonna do another set for 92.5 kilos. Tapi kalau misalnya memang berat banget, then I'm just gonna cut it off by 10% and then do for the last set the 10% off that one. So yeah, I'm gonna take a rest first, and then let's see. Let's attempt the 92.5 kilos. Okay, that was heavy. Okay guys, jadinya let's cut it off by 10%. Berapa jadinya? And then do the last set on this last set of bench. Jadi dia tuh jadinya berapa? 92.5 kurang 10%. 83 kilos. Yeah, let's just do 83 kilos. I have the fractional plate there, and yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. And actually, before off camera, I was thinking that I'm gonna go up to 95 kilos. Tapi I could like hold myself to stick on the plan, and then yeah, jadinya di 92.5, and bener aja rasanya di last rep tadi seperti yang kalian lihat tuh grindingnya cukup susah atau cukup besar atau strugglingnya cukup tinggi, and tapi aku seneng aku bisa dapetin 5 repetisi di beban segini. So yeah, that's the right call then. Habis itu aku masih punya 1 set lagi, and then I'm gonna do weight at 83 kilos. So yeah, let's just take a rest first and then do the last set of this bench workout. Okay guys, that's it for this bench, and that was 83 kilos. Dan sekarang I think the bench was going well today. Jadi aku berhasil manage untuk kayak jaga limitku supaya nggak terlalu melewati. Jadinya aku bisa nyampe di top setku di 92.5 kilos. So next week I'm gonna start at 90 or 92.5 kilos. I wish to try to do like more on the next sets or stick to the same weight but do more sets gitu. So yeah, the rest of it was okay, and then the injury was fine right now. I still could feel it, but it's not like a big of a deal. Jadi yeah, I think it's fine. Hopefully it's fine. And yeah, there's nothing that I want to say to you about this bench. I think that's all. And let's moving on to the next one right now. It is at seated cable row with a close neutral grip row. So yeah, I'm gonna do it at 57 for the first sets, and then let's see later how it is going to be. Okay, let's just take a rest first. I'm gonna take some warming up as well. I think for 2 sets, and then let's see apa lagi aku mau bilang. No, there's nothing that I want to say to you anymore. Okay, let's see you guys at the rows. Bye. Okay guys, aku sekarang udah masuk ke gerakan berikutnya, dan sekarang aku udah di 57.5 kilos, and yeah, let's try to do 10 on this one, and hopefully it's not that heavy. So yeah, let's do it now. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna stay in this weight. Rasanya udah cukup berat. Jadi I'm just gonna try to manage to get 3 sets by 10 reps on this one. So yeah, 2 more sets. Aku udah mulai capek. One more. Capek banget. So yeah guys, that's it for this exercise. I got 57.5 at 3 by 10 reps. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's moving on to the next one. Next one I have shoulder press. So I'm gonna do shoulder press. I don't know how many kilos that I'm gonna do. Let me check it first. So yeah, 23 kilos. Well, let's wrap it up like this here. Okay guys, there is some changing plan a little bit karena aku belum makan, tenagaku sedikit banget, aku capek, dan ini latihan pagi hari ini sesuatu yang gak aku planningkan karena aku harusnya ngajar hari ini dan baru selesai ngajar sebenarnya ya jam 8 ini. Aku sebenarnya baru pulang dari Gatsu, tapi ya aku gantikan dengan ini, dan aku belum sempat ada makanan masuk sama sekali, and it was so tired. And later I have clients at 10. Yup, meskipun at 10 2 jam sebelum, tapi aku perlu makan, perlu istirahat lagi karena I want to be really present to my client. Tapi itu alasanku doang sih, aku pengen istirahat aja sebanyak-banyaknya. Karena kemarin kalian tahu aku latihan, I didn't edit it yet, tapi kemarin itu aku lakukan sumo deadlift and it was at 202.5 kilos. Well, by the time I post this, you guys already see or watch the deadlift video where I do my lower body exercise. Then it was so tiring, and up until now, which is the day after yesterday, I did the deadlift or the lower body exercise. I'm feeling it a lot on my lower body. It's kind of my lower body cannot move. Well, it's difficult to move. Dan di saat yang sama, my abs is also so tired, sore. I mean, it's super sore right now. Tadi aku kayak gini tuh aku harus pegangan pakai kakiku supaya aku tuh bisa tiduran karena perutku sakit, pegel banget gitu. So yeah, I'm gonna change the plan. I think I'm gonna stop this morning at that seated cable row exercise. Habis itu nanti aku akan lanjutin lagi untuk selesaikan gerakan tiga gerakan. Yang gerakan terakhir itu superset sih, jadi 2 gerakan technically. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna fit myself right now and get some rest, do other work that I need to do, and then do the class after that. And then I think later at afternoon I do the exercise, or even in the evening. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it up here. And we'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, because it's in the video, so I'll see you guys in a second. Tapi aku nanti akan lakukan latihannya saya. Bye bye. Oke guys, aku sekarang melanjutkan latihanku yang tadi. Dan tadi tuh di pagi hari, dan aku cuma sempat untuk lakukan 2 gerakan aja. And right now it is at 3:04. Aku akan selesaikan latihanku sekarang. Mudah-mudahan I can finish it in 20 minutes, because after this I have my other clients at afternoon 4:30. Jadi supaya aku juga bisa nanti bersih-bersih di sini karena agak sedikit kotor, jadi perlu dibersihkan. So yeah, I did my 2 sets of this shoulder press. Well, currently I'm at shoulder press. Jadi aku sudah melakukan 2 set tadi. Sekarang aku tinggal lakukan 1 set lagi di 23,5 kilo. Well, the energy that I have right now is way more than before, earlier in the morning. Jadi, tapi di satu sisi juga aku pengen kayak, okay, let's just keep the program there gitu. Jadi kayak supaya aku tuh daripada naikin beban, karena aku punya energinya, I get the power. Tapi aku coba untuk tetap disesuaikan dengan plannya di 23,5 kilo, yang dimana naik 1 step atau 1,5 kilo dari minggu yang sebelumnya. Dan ini aku akan coba untuk lakukan kayak 12 repetisi dengan repetisi yang bagus. Jadi eksentriknya tuh atau turunnya tuh turun pelan, habis itu konsentriknya tuh ya cepet lah, tapi tetap masih terkontrol gitu. And I did 2 sets already, and right now, well, that was quite challenging. 2 set earlier. Habis itu sekarang aku akan lakukan di set ketiganya, and then hopefully I can get it like with a good quality reps in every rep of this set. So yeah, let's do it now. That was great actually. I did it guys. That was 12 reps at 23.5 kilos on the last set. Dan sekarang aku akan lakukan gerakan terakhirku, which is 2 gerakan terakhir. I'm doing it superset. Jadi aku akan melakukan chest fly well, this is a new exercise. Dan last week karena aku bilang kayak last week itu aku tuh udah latihan shoulder press, habis itu lagi latihan fist pull, and yang dimana itu 2 gerakan latihan yang untuk otot yang sama, which is okay actually. Tapi I'm just gonna lose power if I do that secara berurutan gitu, kayak nggak selang-seling gitu. Jadinya I change that one to chest fly, incline dumbbell chest fly, dan aku akan lakukan di 16 kilo I think. Yeah, let me check it. Yeah, I think 16 kilo. Habis itu tricepnya akan masih sama. Tricepnya hari ini aku akan coba aku centang dulu dah. 11,5 untuk 3 set. Ya, mudah-mudahan bisa lah. And yeah, that's it. But just gonna be the same like the shoulder press that I just did. Aku akan record di set terakhirnya aja. Jadi selanjutnya kalian akan lihat aku melakukan gerakan berikutnya atau gerakan terakhir di set terakhirnya. So yeah, I'm gonna do 3 sets by 12 reps on those two exercises. Okay? Bye. Okay guys, that's it for this sessions today. Aku mau beresin ini and then we do the outro after that. So guys, I already finished everything dan it was great actually. Aku bisa selesaikan semuanya dan tadi itu aku melakukan tricep itu. The planning today was I hit 11.5 kilos at 3 sets by 12 reps. Tapi kok ini ketinggian ya? Tapi turns out di set kedua tadi aku malah nggak bisa. I barely to get 12, but I can get 12. I can hit 12. Tapi for doing another set, for the third set, aku nggak bisa. And I decided to go down to 10 kilos. Dan tadi pun aku cukup struggling untuk selesaikan 12 repetisi di 10 kilo. Tapi ya udahlah, it is what it is. I need to face it. Berarti tricep trainingnya itu ya perlu pelan-pelan latihannya gitu. So what else? Chest fly was great. Aku lakukan di 16 kilos and I think it was a proper weight to lift again for the first time since I think a month ago. Aku melakukan bodybuilding style. Jadi ya udah aku lakukan lagi dengan 16 kilo and it was fine. And yeah, I can get 3 sets by 12 reps dan aku masih tetap ngerasain chest pumpnya gitu. So what else? Yeah, I think that's all guys for today's video and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys watching it up until now and then please consider a subscribe and also your like. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.